The research department from a certain company plans to assign an identification number to each of its projects for the year. Each number is to consist of 3 different digits from 0 to 5 inclusive, except that the first digit cannot be 0. How many different identification numbers are possible? We're talking about an identification number out of 6 possible digits. So we set up our 3 spaces, 1 for each of the digits of this ID. This is the ID. How can we pick this first digit out of 0 to 5? So we have 6 options, but since the first digit cannot be 0, it would be 6 minus 1. This one here represents the 0. So what about the second? I also have 6 options here, but it says that they are 3 different digits. So I have the 6 options from 0 to 5, but now I cannot pick the option I used in the first position. So I must also take away 1. So this one here represents first digit. And finally, since now you have 5 for the second position, for the next position, it still has to be different. So you would have 1 fewer option than the previous one. So if you had 5 in the second position, here you should have 5 minus 1 because you cannot copy the second digit. So you multiply these options, that is 5 times 5 times 4, and that is 100. The answer is option B.